Hello, my name is Polat Ahmet. I'm owner of the SEAGULL fish bar, one of the busiest chip shop on Tile Cross Road. I take over this shop in 2005. It was a really small chip shop, and then we extended it and we make it really busy and bigger. We do fish and chips, all English traditional foods, and we always sell fresh. We don't sell anything frozen. Fresh fish, you can't beat it. The website wasn't out when we started it. Start for the leaflet to deliver it by home, by hand delivery. Start getting a phone call and then the phone is engaged all the time. So the website is a lot easier for everyone, and we decided to go with FOODit, and we're glad we did it because they help us to grow. And also these days everyone has a smartphone, smart tablets, device. It's a lot easier to place an order. We have to follow the latest generation. When you have the website, basically you increase your business. About 150 orders a week increased it from the website. Serve more customer and get more benefit out of it. Just the phone, you wouldn't realize it. But when you go ahead with the website, you will see the difference. With FOODit, you got your own website. People have to use your name to log in and place an order. You cannot lose anything. If you go with the others in the market, when you log in, they divert you anywhere they want. They pass your order any shop they want. So it's not good for anyone. What I find with this website is my own website, my own business, and have my own customers.